Hi, this is Ashutosh from KRC Real Estate. So a lot of people buy very expensive properties in certain areas, and although they can get like larger properties in some other areas which they don't consider as nice, but why do they want to buy only in those areas? So say there are a few colonies where the roads are very good, there are a few colonies where there is more openness and all that, and that makes sense. But that is not the only factor. One of the main factors when people are choosing where to live is also the kind of culture or the way people interact, where people treat each other around them. For example, if you go to say Anand Lok or Defense Colony or GK2 or any such area, so there is a different kind of a system over there. You can say there's a different kind of there's a different mix of people living there. There's a different mix of there is a style of living, there is a quality of living, and I'm not saying one of these is better. It's just different in all of these places. Like if you were to go to say Jorbagh, now the kind of people who are going to be living next door to you are a specific kind. Yeah, you go to Golf Links, Sundarnagar. These are all very high-end areas, and some very high-end people are living there. Also, I think there is definitely a label value. Like one could say, oh, I live in Jorbagh, and that is definitely something that works for a lot of people. But it is also the kind of living you have around you, the kind of neighbors you have, the kind of people you have around you. In fact, I mean, a lot of people or some people for that reason actually go and buy or rent places in such high-end areas so they could network with other high net worth people. Like say if you really wanted to do that, you could just simply go to DLF Camellias in Gurgaon, and I mean that's the who's of who of the entire India there. So I mean you could just network with everyone, pretty much top of the chain in India at least. And now if you wanted to like network with other people who are more businessmen, maybe okay, you could live somewhere around GK or any other South Delhi colony. Also, one difference you will see is there is a difference of culture in people living in South Delhi and say people who are in West or East or North Delhi. I'm not saying South Delhi people are better. I'm just saying that there is a difference in culture, and people sometimes are not very comfortable living in a new kind of culture after having lived in a different culture for a long time. For example, say somebody who's lived in say for example Ashok Vihar or Rohini for a long time, and he really likes that. He might be better off living there and not really coming down to say Vasant Vihar, you know. It's not that that their culture is bad or good or whatever. It is just that one is more comfortable in that area, and that's what matters, especially to the people who are now older, or you know, the younger generation is still like yeah, I want to move to South Delhi and I want to have a newer circle or newer culture or whatever, and maybe network with the people here. So all of these things also make a difference. I just thought I'll make a small video on this, and hope to see you soon.